Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change the default browser in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Apps from the left side list. Go to Default Apps. Type .html in the search line. Click on the browser suggestion you will get. A pop-up window will appear. Select the browser that you need from the list. Click OK. The default browser will change. You can also scroll down the apps list to find the browser that you need. Click on it to see more options. You will see a list of file types or link types and apps that are used to open them. Click on the file type that you want to change. Pop-up window will appear. Select the browser that you need from the list. Click OK. The default browser will change. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!